Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Dale Hopkinson with Thales. We're at InfoComm 2026. It's such a pleasure to be here. So today we're talking about our service, Sentinel, which is the platform that helps companies to monetize their software as well as protect their software. So in this space we have many companies you can see, such as the QSC. What happens is when they think about selling their software and using software as a subscription, they want to sell it additional to the hardware, they want to monetize that software separately. Many of them move into a subscription model, some using a usage. Some of the challenges around that is they want to protect their software. Protecting the software means you want to protect it and keep it safe against anti-piracy, as well as anyone trying to hack and steal your IP. So Sentinel offers solutions to do just that. We can wrap your software and make sure that anyone trying to steal your software and IP, especially in the days of this mythos and AI-assisted hacking, they're not able to do that. They can't read your source code. The second part is managing all of those usage rights, so giving commercial access to your software based on what was purchased. Many companies, they may give the software for free, but one of the growth opportunities is being able to offer that single software package into multiple user base. So think about any SaaS offering. You have a basic plan, a premium plan, and even a premium plus plan or enterprise plan. In all of those plans, you have different features that are enabled on or off in the software. That's what we control. We give you the assurance that you can control the appropriate features on or off in your software plan and having the ability to track that. On the back end, you not only know what was sold, we can also help you understand what was consumed. So what was sold, what's actually being used in the plan. That data can go back into your CRM of choice, so your sellers can really understand now how your companies or your customers are using the software that was purchased. This is a great deal of information for upsell, cross-sell, or even churn prevention, which becomes critical when you're selling software only in addition to hardware. One of the challenges we see in this space is companies who rely only on hardware sales. You can only sell something new if it's not maintenance, when it's a new hardware, right? But in our space, when companies move to monetizing their software, regardless of the hardware cycle, which is, by the way, typically 3 to 6 years, you have the ability to sell on top of that hardware new versions of software. Specifically in the case of AI, companies bringing to model new AI models in their AV suites, you may want to charge for that because AI is a different price point which erodes margin if you're not charging or monetizing it separately. We give you that ability to monetize your AI as well as keep that AI safe. For companies deploying AI on the edge inside devices, one of the key concerns right now is how do they make sure that AI is not being stolen, those models are not being manipulated. So we give you the protection around that, so protecting your AI models as well as software on the edge or on the device. Some of our key customers, again, they're doing just this. So it's a very great industry for us. We look forward to continue serving this industry. So again, my name is Dale Hopkinson. And for more information, you can check our QR code, which is on the website. That'll bring you to our website, shows you all of our products. You can feel free to contact us. We want to help you monetize your software in this new age of AI. Control the business model that makes sense to you as you gain market share and grow your revenue for your company. Thanks. Hope you enjoy the rest of InfoComm 2026.